Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news. So let's get started. So the first update that we have is from OnePlus. OnePlus released its OnePlus Truly Wireless Earbuds back in July. While they have great battery life and an affordable price, but if you use them with a non-OnePlus phone, you wouldn't be able to manage some settings or get firmware updates. Now, OnePlus is going to launch OnePlus Buds app so that user can manage settings of the OnePlus Buds in all the Android phones. The date is not announced yet, but we can expect it soon. Next update that we have is from YouTube. Apple's new software update iOS 14 brought in a feature named Picture in Picture, which was allowing users to use Picture in Picture mode on any app. Using YouTube in Safari app, the feature was supported. The feature was not working on YouTube app because to use this mode, everyone needs to buy a premium subscription of YouTube. Now, YouTube Web also asks for subscription to use picture-in-picture mode in iOS devices. Google and Apple haven't replied to the request for comment. At number 3, we have news about Alexa. Amazon in its event on September 18 announced that it is extending the feature of Hindi language support for Alexa voice assistant. Amazon Alexa is easily available on Echo Dot, Echo Plus, and more, from where it can be used to gain information and entertainment of various genres. Amazon's official also announced improving Alexa's understanding of Indian culture and festival, along with adoring the virtual assistant with an Indian accent English and finally Hindi language. Listing further, the next update that we have is about Garmin Forerunner 745 smartwatch. Garmin Forerunner 745 smartwatch is officially launched with built-in GPS, 7 days of battery life and blood oxygen sensor. The watch supports 5 ATM water resistance and have Corning Gorilla Glass DX on display for protection. Multiple workouts tracking modes are available in the watch. The watch supports working on Android as well as iOS. Talking about the price of the watch is $499 in US. The next update that we have is from Realme. Realme is about to launch Realme Narzo 20 series on September 21. The series will contain Narzo 20, Narzo 20A and Narzo 20 Pro. Now, along with this, Realme also going to launch Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11. Realme X50 Pro has already received Realme UI 2.0 preview. Now let's see what will Realme UI 2.0 feature. At number 6, we have news about Microsoft Xbox Series. Pre-orders for Microsoft Xbox Series X and Series S in India will begin on September 22 at 9 am. Both the consoles will launch on November 10. Xbox Series X and Series S will be available on Amazon, Flipkart and Reliance Digital online stores. No offline stores have been announced yet. With availability, price of the series is also revealed. Xbox Series X is priced at $49,990 and Series S will cost $34,990. How many of you are excited for PlayStation 5 and how many of you are excited for Xbox Series? Moving forward to the next update that we have is about IPL. Dream 11 IPL is going to start today at 7:30 pm. The matches will be streamed on Disney Plus Hotstar in India, Yup TV on many countries, and it will also be live streamed for free on some platforms. If anyone wants to watch the matches live on Hotstar, you can either buy the Hotstar subscription of ₹399 per year, or you will also get free Hotstar VIP subscription on prepaid recharges of Jio and Airtel. Subscription will end for a year on each plan provided by Airtel or Jio. Well, how many of you are excited for IPL? The first clash will be between Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. Which team you are gonna support? Comment below your view. So the next update that we have is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi India teased a smartwatch for India. This will be the first ever smartwatch in India by Xiaomi. Xiaomi India teased the date on September 29. Mi Band 5 is set to reveal on that day. How many of you are excited for this watch? Comment your views in the comment section. So the last update that we have is from OnePlus. OnePlus is tipped to launch on October 14. OnePlus 8T Pro is also expected alongside. OnePlus 8T is suggested with Snapdragon 865. OnePlus is also working on multiple devices that may be unveiled by the end of this year. Some of them are suggested previously as OnePlus Smartwatch, OnePlus Buds Z, and OnePlus Nord new phones. Let's see what will OnePlus pack in the devices and at what price the devices will be available. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and comment down your views in the comment section. Also press the bell icon to get notifications of the new video. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.